Hey there! Are you ready to take your Instagram reel to the next level? Let's talk about how to make money with your passion for creating amazing content. First things first, you need to create a consistent and engaging feed that showcases your skills and creativity. Once you have your foundation set, it's time to start monetizing your account. One effective way to do this is by partnering with brands that align with your content. You can either create sponsored posts or become a brand ambassador, earning money for promoting their products or services. Another option is to sell your own products, either through your Instagram profile or by creating a branded store on Shopify or Etsy. Don't forget about passive income streams, like selling your stock photos, using affiliate marketing, or hosting giveaways. The possibilities are endless, and all you need is a passion for creating and a willingness to work hard. So let's get started creating amazing content and making money on Instagram.